Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do crafts. Let's start. Be careful of the scissors. Cut your nails and your fingers. So don't cut on purposely. First step. Like this. Okay. Okay, I'm supposed to do like this. Let's see. Oh, when I'm gonna get this.
Nice, Daksha bond.
Okay. Next, we need one pencil. That's okay if you do like that. I tried first, but I did it. Then make your green. That's okay if you make yours green. You could always make it green. That's okay. This is the first time I'm trying. Okay. Oops, that's what's happening. Okay, now we have to put one door. Take the pencil first. Always ask your mom or a grown-up. I then get a pencil to put the lock. Okay. And then color it. Coloring starts the door. Let's color the door first. A house. Next house. Do you see this shape? You could also try it.